next phase of my career at the City of Clearwater was I actually became the City of Clearwater's first neighborhood services manager. Again, this was a new program that I established when I was with the City of Clearwater, and during that time essentially had created a neighborhood visioning process that was conducted in 3 neighborhood areas within the City of Clearwater, essentially trying to help the residents of neighborhoods create a vision for their future and the neighborhood. Conducted this for more than 25 neighborhoods, had more than 500 residents attending, a total of 3 meetings. And one of the main priorities of this visioning process was safety, and we specifically conducted a visioning session specifically with the police department on safety. And we know that this is an important piece to the Someplace Special Community project. Basically, this visioning process allows everyone that attends to identify what they see as being important to their community, and then gives everyone the opportunity to provide their input as well as then vote on what they think is most important. This process does not take that long, but what it does is provide very, very valuable information so that we can basically come to a consensus of what is most important and what needs to be included within the community. I believe this is something that we should do with the Someplace Special team so that we can help to determine what your future vision is and what the most important things are to build your community. Another part of the project that I was involved with in creating was what was called the Weed and Seed program. This was a matching grants program that I established as well as administered in working with the City of Clearwater and neighborhoods, and therefore have experience in actually working with grants. And since Someplace Special is a nonprofit, and I believe this is a direction you want to continue to utilize in order to help identify and secure funding to help you with your project, we have experience in actually managing grant projects as well. Another actual important thing that I think that we should consider is the neighborhood block parties. This was also something that I created at the City of Clearwater. It was originally established in 1998. I'm happy to say here it is in 2014, and they're still going on. This was meant to build community spirit within the community, as well as connecting the residents with city officials. We actually brought in the buses of the city officials to the neighborhoods so that they could be introduced and learned about the issues. I think this may be an important piece to include as we plan for our future for Someplace Special, so that we can basically get to know our city officials or county officials, because they can help us with what you're trying to achieve. Essentially, how does this experience help Someplace Special? Well, again, I think it's important that we develop a vision for you and allow you to develop your vision for your community. It helps to the group to identify priorities and come to a consensus. We can help to develop programs which can help build community spirit within your community, as well as we have connections with numerous government officials that may be able to help us in overcoming any problems that may arise as a part of the project.